Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something called Ducana. It's very similar to what we call pastel in Trinidad, but pastel it's more like a savory dish. This Ducana is a sweet dish. Only difference between the two is that the pastel is made like with cornmeal and of course the corned beef and stuff. Sorry, minced meat and stuff, and the Ducana is made with it's just basically like a vegan, but it's made with sweet potato, coconut and stuff. You'll see the ingredients as I go along. So it's quite interesting. So let me get to the list of ingredients. So I have here, this is about 3.5 cups of grated sweet potato. Now potato is like regular potato. It is a regular potato. Well, not really a regular potato, but the characteristics is like a regular potato. When you peel the potato, it's like a whitish color, but when you leave it exposed to the air, it gets this kind of brownish color, right? I can't really avoid that, but it's good. Nothing is wrong with this potato. It took me a while to grate this because if you have a food processor, of course that will come in more handy. All right, so like I said before, I have 3.5 cups of grated sweet potato. I'm going to add 2 cups of grated coconut here to that, and I have 1 cup of sugar. You could use white granulated sugar as well. I'm using brown sugar. I have some raisins. This is about 1/2 cup of raisins. Well, you could have made the raisins. Some people don't really put the raisins, but there are quite a few variations to the recipe, but I want to see the raisins in it, to see little specks in the Ducana, right? And I have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence, grated ginger. This is about a tablespoon. This is optional. Some people don't really put that in it. You could put black pepper, salt, all those ingredients are optional. So you're going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. And 1/4 cup of, I'm using all-purpose flour here. This is just basically to help bind all the ingredients together properly. I'm going to use my hand to mix everything together properly. So this is my mixture. Everything is all mixed in, looking really good, and it tastes good, right? The balance with the sugar and everything is just good enough for me. Again, like I said before, some people add black pepper to give you that sort of a bit of savory flavor, but I want mine sweet and nothing else. This dish is also very popular in Caribbean islands like St. Vincent, St.Lucia, and Antigua. I think there's some. I saw they serve it like with saltfish. I don't know. But the one that we made in Trinidad was pay me. We just eat it just like that. I never used to have it much in my life, but how I eat it just like that, you know, like a sweet dish, and that's it. So on to the rest of this recipe. Okay, so what we do next, we basically make our Dukana in like little packets. Okay, so I have pieces of foil here. You could use foil paper, or you could use banana leaf. Banana leaf is a real original recipe, but of course if you can't get the banana leaf, you use the foil paper. But yeah, so so I'm going to put some of the mixture here on a piece of foil. I don't really want them too big. That should do it. I'm going to fold this up. A nice little press down like that, and I'm going to fold it again. And that's it. Give it a nice press to give it that sort of a look like how the pastel looks. Yeah. Let me just do one more so you can see how it's done again. Put some of the mixture on a piece of foil. Wrap this up at the top. Because we're going to put these packets in some water, a pot of boiling water, so you kind of seal the edges in so the water wouldn't get into the packets. Okay? These are broken. I might have to put another piece of foil because this seems to be half broken. So I'm going to wrap this up again. I just dropped the crop like that. This is a second wrapping. Oops. So I have some banana leaf that I picked from my backyard. So the first thing I need to do with the banana leaf, I need to wipe it off with a damp piece of cloth, right? And then I have to heat it like this, because if I don't do that, the banana leaf, I'm gonna put it at a low fire. It is very, it breaks up. So when you heat it up like this, it doesn't break up, you know? It's easier to manage. And plus you can see it turns a different color as the heat takes it. It's nice and shiny, and it gets it's more flexible. I can easily fold it and it wouldn't break, you know? So here's my Dukana all wrapped up. The ones in the banana leaf, as you can see here, I just cut a thin strip of the banana leaf and I use that to tie it to keep it in place. Yeah, neat idea, isn't it? Normally we'll use we will use twine to do that part, to tie up the to tie them up. And these are the ones in the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a pot on the stove, allow it to boil, a pot of water to come to boil, and then I'm going to put these into the pot and let them cook for maybe about 50 minutes to an hour. Okay, so here's one of my Dukana in the banana leaf, all nice and cool. I'm just going to cut off the tie, open them up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Let's take a taste. Oh, look at that. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. This is good. This is really good. Love that. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Oh yeah.